It's a really cool Bagmart video. Hi, I'm Paul with Plastic Bagmart in Marietta, Georgia, urging you to do your part to eschew obfuscation. Today, I want to blow your mind with an inexpensive tool that is going to help take your product packaging from amateur to professional. Ladies, gentlemen, bag maniacs, I give you the Heat Sealer. Today, we'll be using the Midwest Pacific MP12 and MP8C impulse sealers. These sealers have a heating element that instantly heats up to seal your bags when you press the arm down. The temperature always stays the same, but you can adjust the length of time that it stays hot from a fraction of a second to a few seconds by turning the timer switch on the front. Even if you continue to hold the arm down, the element is only heated for the length of the impulse, which is indicated by the red light. To set this at the correct setting for your bags, we recommend taking a test bag and turning the timer all the way down. Seal the bag and test to see if you can pull the seal apart. If you can, then turn the timer up just a little and try again. Keep trying until you get a good firm seal. If your seal starts to get messy and stringy, you've turned it up too high. These work very well for all polyethylene bags, but the thicker the bag, the higher of setting you'll need. Even though the timer goes all the way up to an 8, it's best if you don't run it that high for extended periods of time. They come in a variety of widths, starting at an 8-inch sealing capacity and increasing by 4 inches at a time from there. Make sure to select a sealer that is a little wider than the widest bag you'll ever need to seal. And the same sealer can be set up in 2 different ways for different results. The first setup involves an exposed round element. With this setup, the excess plastic is cut off right at the seal for a very clean look. The other setup has a wider flat element covered with a strip of Teflon. With this setup, the excess plastic is not cut off and the seal is a little wider. Both ways are good, it's just a matter of personal taste. Let's try this sealer with some polyethylene tubing and see how it works. We'll package these pencils individually. We'll stick the pencil in the tubing, seal the first end, seal the second end, stick the next pencil. Oh, wait. The end of the tube is sealed. I guess I could use scissors, but that's going to be slow if I have to do it for every pencil. I'm going to want a sealer with a cutter for this job. They're just the same as ordinary sealers, but they have a sliding blade built into the arm. Let's see how it works. Put the pencil in, seal the first end, seal the second end. Slide the cutter, and we have an open end ready for the next pencil. What if you need both hands to make sure that your product doesn't spill out while you're trying to seal it? These floor model sealers work just the same, except they're closed with a foot pedal, leaving both hands free to hold the bag.